Silver has always been more than just a metal. It's a symbol of our traditions, value, and safety. And now you can buy pure silver in just a few taps. Secure, simple, and hassle-free. Introducing silver on PhonePe. To buy silver easily and hassle-free in just a few simple steps. Daily savings in silver. Start with opening the PhonePe app. Scroll down Gold, Silver, and Platinum section. Click on More. There, you'll see 3 ways to buy silver. Click on Save Daily. Enter your desired amount. Click on Continue Setup. Confirm your primary bank or select a different bank account and click on Setup Autopay. After this, the specified amount will be automatically deducted every day and silver will be added to your secure locker at that day's rate. Completely hassle-free. You are ready to save daily. Now, if you wish to save monthly, the process is as easy as daily savings. Go to PhonePe app, scroll down Gold, Silver and Platinum section. Click on More, scroll down to Silver Savings. Click on Save Monthly. Select the date from the drop-down calendar, type the amount, click on Proceed, select the bank and set Autopay. Enter 4 to 6 digit bank UPI PIN. Similarly, if you want to buy silver in one go, click on the third option, Buy Silver. Enter the amount or the weight of silver you want to buy. Click on Proceed. Select the bank and set Autopay. Enter 4 to 6 bank UPI PIN and you are done. Selling your silver is as simple as buying it. Done in just a few steps, simple, secure and hassle-free. Go to the PhonePe app, scroll down Gold, Silver and Platinum section. Click on More. Go to My Silver. Go to your silver locker, tap on the Sell sliver, choose a provider. Choose rupees or grams to sell your silver. It will display linked bank account on PhonePe, where your money will be credited. Now, click on Sell. A pop-up will appear for confirmation. Tap Confirm. So, what are you waiting for? Your silver saving is just a tap away. Buy when you want, sell when you need. A trusted asset, a simpler way to save. Silver on PhonePe.